and welcome to Ryan's Recipes. Now, I wasn't planning on filming this, but today we're going to poach an egg. This is something I have never done, but I've just received multiple requests asking me to do a quick video on how to poach an egg. Right. As far as I know, it's some hot water, a pan, you swirl it around a bit, bash it in and off you go. So, let's see how we get on. Got a pan, I've put some water in, I've put a tiny sprinkle of salt and I've turned it up to 6. You can see there's some steam starting to come to it. Means the pan's starting to get warm. Now, because this is unplanned, I've not got phone mounts and camera mounts and all that sort of stuff set up. So, trying to lean and keep a camera steady for professional reasons is really challenging. But we're going to start stirring the water. So we'll go with the thick end first, get it going, and then let's flip it round. And let's use that and let's go faster, 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 faster. Whirring, use an egg. Now, I can never crack an egg like this, let alone with one hand. So this is going to be a bit more challenging. There we go. Eggs in. Now, the water slowed down while I was trying to crack an egg with one hand. So, let's see. Well, it's warm. Okay, cracked the yolk a little bit, but what we do now is you just wait. Just wait. This has got to be like the most, it's like watching paint dry, isn't it? Just watching an egg slowly cook and go white. What do you even take them out of a pan with? Sod getting a frying pan, not a frying pan, a spatula in there. I'll work it out. I'll use some sort of spoon device. Let's give it a little bit more of a stir. Does it do anything if I stir it? Oh, look, it's alive. Ish. So you just let it do that. Some more steam. It's probably not quite boiling yet, is it? There's little bubbles. Steam's really throwing the white balance in this camera off. It's quite funny. I don't know at what point this gets boring. And the fact that people still watch these. It's just steam coming out of a pan. That's all we've got. Smells more like smoke. No, my egg's alive. It's not burning to hell. It's just in there. Oh, I know why. I burnt some on this ring last night. So we've just got cloudy water. You never know if it's dumb. Oh, it's spitting. It's alive. Right. Let's look in the drawer of devices. What sort of device have we got? A metal spoon. That's the right sort. Oh, hang on. Is that a more bent metal spoon? There we go. Big metal spoon. You can tell real professional camera angles here. You go under and you lift. That's not quite a poached egg, is it? We'll just put that one back. It's like fishing for a duck at a fair, isn't it? Hook a duck, hook a duck. There we go. So I think if the water was hot enough, that would have been brilliant. But it wasn't. And that's 5 minutes of just watching a pan that's not boiled.